Hey there, West Shore students. Today we're learning best practices for digital organization. As a student, staying organized is important to your success. Whether you're using OneDrive or Google Drive to store your files, these tips will help you manage your files efficiently, reduce stress, and make sure you can easily access your important materials when you need them. Please note, while we'll provide some structure and file naming suggestions, however you choose to organize your files is completely up to you. The most important things are to make it something you'll remember, keep it consistent, and make a system that works for you. For this tutorial, we'll use Microsoft OneDrive. In order to access your OneDrive account, go to mywestshore.edu. In the lower left-hand corner, under Quick Links, click OneDrive. First, let's talk about structuring your folders. Creating a clear folder structure can make finding your files a breeze. As an example, it might look something like this. I'll start with my West Shore folder at the top, create one for school year underneath, one for semester, and then of course have one for my courses. Let's talk about organizing your course folders. One way to organize your files is by category. As an example, under FYS 101, you'd create additional subfolders for assignments, lectures, projects, and course resources, and sort your files accordingly. You can organize by course, date, any way you'd like, really. Next, let's talk about using a consistent file naming convention. A clear and consistent file name should include the information to quickly help you identify what's in your file. Here's an example. The first part is your name or initials. For example, BLK. The next part, FYS 101, identifies the course. Mod 1 refers to the module in which the assignment is posted. A indicates whether it's an assignment, versus an L for lecture, P for project, or even R for resource. Time management describes the content of the file. And then 082424 is the date in the month, day, year format. By using a clear and consistent naming convention, you'll always know what each file contains, when it was created, and what type of file it is. Even the most organized person sometimes will lose a file or place one in an incorrect spot. Never fear. As long as you've been consistent in your file naming, you'll be able to find the file using the search bar. This will save you time and frustration when you need an important file fast. Last, make it a habit to review and clean up your folders regularly. Set aside time each month to delete unnecessary files and reorganize as needed. This will keep your digital space tidy and efficient. So there you have it. By structuring your folders logically, using a standard naming convention, and regularly cleaning up your digital space, you'll stay organized and save time that you can put towards your career and college goals. If you have questions or need support, email the technical support team at techsupport@westshore.edu. Have a great semester!